All welcome everyone to the online course on Essential of Database Management System. In the previous video lecture, we discussed subqueries. In this presentation, we are going to discuss SQL view. The views in SQL are kind of virtual table. A view also has rows and columns as they are in the real table. We can create a view by selecting fields from one or more table present in the database. View can be created using create view statement. The syntax create view name as select column name from table name where condition. For example, just consider one student detail table where three columns SID, name and address. Then how to create a view? For example, create view detail view is the view name as select particular columns name, for example, name, comma, address from student detail. The student detail is the actual table where the condition is SID less than 5. So here more number of rows in the student detail. So here the condition is SID less than 5. It means the first four row is selected and then view is created. If you want to see the record, then we will write query as main table. Select star from detail view. Then it will display the records. Next, creating a view from multiple table. Then how to write the query here? Create view marks view. That is the view table name as select student detail dot name, comma student detail dot address. It means the name column and the address column belongs to student detail table, comma student marks dot marks. It means the marks column belongs to student marks table from and mention the table's name. For example, student detail, comma student's mark. Where condition. What is the condition? The student detail name should match with the student marks dot name. So now the three column will be selected. Name, address from the first table and then marks from the second table. Now the three column will be selected and creating a new view. If you want to see the records, then we will write query as select star from marks view. Delete views. SQL allows us to delete existing views. We can delete or drop view using drop statement. For example, drop view and marks view. Now automatically the virtual table will be deleted. Next one is updating views. There are certain conditions need to be satisfied to update the view. If any one of the condition is not met, then we will not able to allow to update the view. We will discuss one by one. Select statement, which is used to create the view, should not include group by and order by clause. The select statement should not have distinct keyword. The view should have all not null values. The view should not be created using nested queries or complex queries. The view should be created from single table. If the view is created using multiple table, then we will not able allowed to update the view. Next, we can use the create or replace view statement to add or remove the field from the view. For example, create or replace view and virtual table name, that is the marks view, as select student detail dot name and student detail dot address. It means the first two column is selected from student detail table. Next, student marks dot marks, student marks dot age. The next two column is selected from the second table, that is student marks. From mention the table names, student detail, comma student's mark, and condition student detail dot name should match with student marks dot name. So automatically the four column will be selected from two table. The new virtual table is created. If you want to see the record, then we will write select star marks v. Automatically it will show the inserting a row in a view. We can insert a row in a view in the same way as the original table. For example, insert into detail view, mention the column name, values, and mention the values. Automatically, the new record will be added in the virtual table. Deleting a row from the view. Deleting row from view also simple as deleting row from the table. Use the delete statement of SQL to delete row from a view. For example, delete from detail view where the name is Suresh. Automatically, the particular record will be deleted. And the next one is use of view. Restricting data access. It means the view provides the additional level of table security. Next one is hiding data complexity. It means the view can hide the complexity that exists in the multiple table join. And next one is simplify the commands for the user. View allow the user to select the information from multiple tables without requiring the user to actually know how to perform the join. And next one is store complex query. View can be used to store complex queries. And next one is renaming column. It means the view can also use it to rename the column without affecting the base table. Multiple view facility. The different view can be created on the same table for different users. I hope that you understood this concept. The next session we will discuss PL SQL. Thank you.